All right, Cajon Pass, railroad fans. We thought this train was going to diverge over to the BNSF tracks. Watched the video before this. Look at all that metal in that gondola. Bursting at the seams. The lead locomotives right now are at Cajon Summit. We're at Cajon Summit Viewpoint on Highway 138. Once the locomotives get over the top, the back of this train should start moving a little bit faster. Third time we caught this train today. What a great train crew. Beautiful train. Got a lot of power. That's Mount San Antonio over there, also known as Mount Baldy. Got some auto racks coming here. Slack pop. These auto racks, the couplers don't always line up very well. Here's our rear DPUs. We're working hard. They're pushing now, but once they get over the summit, they'll be doing some dynamic braking, I'm sure. Rear DPUs have their lights on. The rear of that train is almost to the summit. The railroad summit is right about another 100 yards up from where it is now. See those switches going from main track 3 to main track 2. They use those a lot. All right, please share with your family and friends. Help us out on Patreon, channel memberships. Super chat goes a long way. Throw a buddy a bone. Got another train coming. All right, we're going to start another video for this next train. It's still about a mile away. So make sure you hit that notification. That way you won't miss any of the great action. Love you guys, and we'll catch you in just a few minutes. You know what? Let's stay here. I'm just teasing you. I'm not sure what this is, but it isn't much. It's on main track number 3 right there. Let's see if it pops over to 2. It's probably going to stay on 3 because number 1's kind of closed down below us. What do we have here? Track measurement, testing track to move your world safely. That's like an executive officer train there. Very small lash-up, probably taking some executives somewhere. Interesting day for trains. All right, you guys, you know what to do. I already went through the mumbo jumbo, so I won't torture you with it again. We love you guys, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and watch a couple more.